In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect your site from DDoS using Cloudflare. In today's digital world, websites are under constant threat from cyber attacks, and DDoS, or distributed denial of service attacks, can be especially disruptive. These attacks overwhelm your site with excessive traffic, often making it unavailable to legitimate users. Fortunately, Cloudflare provides robust tools to help mitigate these threats. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to safeguard your website using Cloudflare's security features. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to -cloudflare.com. This is Cloudflare's main dashboard where you can manage all your website security settings. Once you're there, log into your Cloudflare account using your credentials. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one first, then add your website to the platform, assuming you're already set up. Let's keep going. Once you've logged in, you'll see a list of your websites or domains on the dashboard. Select the domain that you want to protect from potential DDoS attacks. This ensures that all the actions we take moving forward will apply to the correct website. After selecting your domain, look to the left-hand menu where you'll see multiple options. Next, click on Security in the left menu. This section contains all the tools and settings you'll need to manage your site's defenses. Under the Security section, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Here's where we'll adjust the security level. For now, set the security level to under attack mode. This is a temporary measure that significantly strengthens your defenses in the face of unusual traffic spikes. It's particularly useful if you're actively experiencing a DDoS attack. Remember to monitor your website traffic, and once the unusual activity subsides, return the security level to normal. This ensures that your users can access your site seamlessly without unnecessary challenges. Now, let's move on to another critical step. Still in the security section on the left-hand menu, click on DOS. Here, you'll want to confirm that HTTP DOS protection is enabled. This feature helps defend your website against excessive HTTP requests, which are a common tactic in DDoS attacks. Additionally, make sure that L344 network protection is also enabled. This layer protects against lower-level network attacks, making your defenses even more comprehensive. Next, we'll set up a firewall rule to block or challenge traffic based on specific criteria. To do this, navigate back to the Security section in the left-hand menu, then click on WF, which stands for Web Firewall, and open Firewall Rules. Once you're in, click the Create Rule button to add a new rule. Now, let's configure the rule. First, set the field to Threat Score. The threat score is a metric Cloudflare uses to measure how likely it is that a request is malicious. Next, set the operator to greater than. In the value field, enter 10. This means that any request with a threat score higher than 10 will be flagged. For the action, select Challenge. This action will require suspicious traffic to complete a CAPTCHA or similar challenge before being allowed to access your site. Once all of this is set up, click Save to finalize the rule. Adjusting the threat score threshold may be necessary over time to better suit your website's unique traffic patterns. If you find that too many legitimate users are being challenged, consider raising the threshold slightly. On the other hand, if malicious traffic is slipping through, you can lower the threshold for stricter filtering. And that's it. By following these steps, you've significantly bolstered your website's defenses against DDoS attacks. Cloudflare's tools are powerful and flexible, allowing you to adapt as your site's needs evolve. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.